Before you watch this video, I want you to ask yourself one important question. Why am I playing Jurassic Challenge Mode in JWE3? If your answer is, I just want the statues for my park builds, stop right here. Save yourself the headache. I've already made a blueprint with every single Challenge Mode statue unlocked, so just download it and go live your best sandbox life. No need to pretend you like playing this mode. If your answer is, I crave the pain and chaos and the near impossible management challenges to test my intellect, I have bad news. You're in the wrong game. That kind of spirit-crushing madness lives only in JWE1 and 2. The challenge mode in this game is more like chill. However, if your answer is the I just want the achievements or I want a structured experience that isn't just freeform sandbox, then congratulations, this guy may be for you. Because here's the truth. If you've beaten the campaign mode and gotten all 5 stars in each map, you pretty much already have the skills you need to beat these challenges. They are nowhere near as brutal as in the older games, for better or for worse. So, with this in mind, here are my top 3 tips for challenge mode that will make your parks efficient, profitable, and mostly not on fire. Tip number 1. Power in pause. Outside of missions 1 and 2, pausing time is your best friend. Is your park in ruins? Are dinosaurs rampaging and eating the guests? Is guest comfort in your star ranking tanking to rock bottom? Just pause the game. Slap down some new infrastructure, fix everything, rearrange some enclosures, repair fences, and start some research, all while the game world is just standing still. Then when you're ready, unpause it, and then let some tasks finish, snap some dino pics for some cash, or complete contracts. The secret to success is simple in this mode. Spend more time paused than actually playing the game. Tip number 2. The Shoebox Breeding Center. Want to maximize appeal? Have baby dinos running around. These tiny, adorable chaos machines have way higher appeal than their adult counterparts for some reason. To build these small shoebox enclosures, you need the right conditions in order to maximize the use out of them. For one, you need the dig yield and the extraction capacity research upgrades so you can A, get more fossils and sellable materials, and B, you can extract more DNA from fossils at one time to save up on costs. Next, you need to have the humble and social traits research. You need this because if you stack these two together, it makes it so that the dinosaurs need less space to live, as well as when you cram them together in large groups, they take up even less. Also, you want to hire scientists with positive stat traits so they can get tasks done faster, as well as decrease the cost amount for these activities. When you have all these in place, it lets you cram the cuteness into compact enclosures, saving you, again, a ton of time, space, and resources. Just make sure you keep rangers and medical teams close by because they'll need to babysit your kindergartens because if all of them start getting sick and dying, then it's not a good time for anybody. Tip number 3. Model it in Sandbox. The challenge mode maps are basically identical to what you would find in Sandbox with some minor environmental tweaks and species appeal modifications. So you can actually use the Sandbox as testing grounds for what you want to build in challenge mode. Doing workout enclosure sizes, dinosaurs' compatibility with each other, and the guest comfort metrics to make sure you have everything met. So you can do this all in Sandbox without the money or time pressure. Then you can just copy your setup into challenge mode for smooth sailing. Bonus tip, experiment with minimal fencing because it's one of the requirements in the challenge mode, and try to see what invisible barriers can keep dinosaurs in place so you can save money and power on the maintenance and whatnot. Oh, one last thing. The first mission, which is not like any of the other challenge mode missions, the photo safari tour, let me just give you some few tips on that so you can get that over with because, yeah, that's completely different from the other challenge mode missions. There's no park building, no pausing, just you, the camera, and driving, I guess. So what I did for this one is I just did a test run and I mapped out where all of the species live in the island. So I took screenshots, jotted some notes, and in my real attempt, I just blitzed the map like I was some National Geographic photographer on Espresso. And yeah, just went around, did that, and just got lucky. Do what you need to do for it. I mean, yeah, it's not like the other challenge modes, so have fun with it, I guess. To be honest, though, I probably don't need to release this video. because challenge mode wasn't really like crazy hard this time around, but if it helps somebody, then I guess I can call it a win. So anyway, take care, enjoy the game, I'll see you next time. Hopefully I will have all the returning JPOG dinosaurs back in all their new glory so I can make a video with them. Anyway, bye.
Seeing your hard work here has really warmed my heart. Not as much as seeing the company's bank account recently, but almost. Well done. Ever since the dinosaurs started spreading far and wide, there's been good money in the world of paleophotography. And I like money, good or otherwise. So go out there and capture the majesty of nature so I can enjoy the majesty of a luxury day spa. Oh, but get going before the herd gets spooked by the camera on wheels, eh?
Asset in range. In range of the asset. This isn't good. Asset in range. Visual on the asset. Visual on the asset. Taking back the rear. It certainly has potential. Asset identified. Can't take much more. Visual on the asset.
Five-star park, five-star park manager, five-star park manager's manager. Me! Oh yeah, this one is a big success.